guys, today we got a new Yeedi! The Yeedi's here!
If you've been following our channel for a while, you know that we've tested quite a few robot vacuums. And over the past year, the Yeedi M14 has honestly been one of the most reliable ones in our home. With two energetic boys running around every day, crumbs, sticky spills, and random messes are just part of life here. The M14 has handled that really well, and I've genuinely enjoyed using it. It's been one of those appliances that quietly does its job and makes life easier. So when we heard Yeedi was launching the M16 Infinity, the upgraded version of the M14, we were naturally curious. What's actually improved? And more importantly, does it make a real difference in everyday family use? That's exactly what we've been testing over the past few weeks. The M16 Infinity keeps a lot of what we already liked about the M14, strong suction, and very solid mopping performance with the roller system. But there are some noticeable upgrades. First, the roller mop itself has been improved. It's wider and denser, which means it covers more floor with each pass. In practical terms, that means fewer back and forth movements and faster room completion. And it washes itself while mopping, so it's not just spreading dirt around. Second, there's the new PowerBoost fast charging feature. In simple terms, it can quickly recharge in short bursts while cleaning, so it doesn't need long breaks to power back up. For larger homes especially, that makes a big difference. It keeps the cleaning process smooth and consistent instead of stopping midway through the house. On the vacuuming side, the blast suction system is seriously powerful. Think of it like a turbo boost that pulls in everything from fine dust to bigger crumbs and pet hair, even on carpets, without losing strength. And thanks to the ZeroTangle 4.0 design, hair doesn't wrap around the brush roll, which means less maintenance and fewer interruptions. We tested it on real-life messes in our home, snack crumbs, dried juice spots, pet hair, and everyday debris, and it handled everything smoothly. The navigation system, combined with True Edge 3.0, cleaned right along baseboards and around furniture without bumping around or missing corners. The self-cleaning station also keeps things completely hand-free. It washes the mop with 167-degree Fahrenheit fresh water, dries it with 145-degree Fahrenheit hot air, and automatically empties the dustbin for up to 90 days. For a busy family home, that means very little ongoing maintenance. After living with the M16 Infinity for a few weeks, we can honestly say it does feel like a meaningful step up from the M14. The wide roller coverage, faster charging, and upgraded automation makes daily cleaning feel even more effortless. If your home isn't huge and the messes are fairly light, the M14 is still a great, more budget-friendly option. But if you have a larger space, or you want the latest technology, faster coverage, and less hands-on maintenance, the M16 Infinity really stands out. As for launch details, it officially releases on March 20th at $599.99. During the launch period from March 20th to March 31st, you can save $20 using my code. I'll leave all of the information in the description below. After March 31st, the price goes up to $700. For me, it's quiet, thorough, and genuinely effective, which means less time worrying about cleaning and more time focusing on the things that matter most in a busy family home. Don't miss out. Go check it out now.